Vajay and I'm 6 years old. I started Garba class and now I will show you Garba. Now let's start. Step number 1 is 1. Step number 2 is this. Like step number 1 is this. Step number 2 is this. Step number 3 is this. Step number 4 is this. Step number 5 is this. Then step number 6 is this. Step number 7 is this. Step number 8 is this. Step number 9 is this. Step number 10 is this. And step number 11 is this.
Okay. And clapping, how to do clapping?
Okay, let's learn that. Right hand, left hand, right hand, right hand. Clap, left hand, clap, clap, right, clap, left hand, clap, left hand, clap, right hand, clap, left hand, clap, right hand. Finish.
Next,
Next,
what ma'am taught you?
no more.
Okay, then we will meet in the next video.
Yeah, bye.